talking about here is the noble gas configurations between the shortcut method for electron configurations. So all you're going to do is you're going to find the noble gas that comes before, and then it has to be less numbers than the number of electrons that it has, and then all you're going to do is you're going to finish off your electron configuration the same way you would. So what we just did was we just did magnesiums and said it's neon, and then 3s2, and we're done with that one. Okay, so let's do the next one. And the next one on the list is, so phosphorus is right here. So what noble gas would you use?
Neon.
Good.
And then it would be 3p3.
Oh, start here first.
Oh, 3s2.
Good.
And 3p3.
Perfect. So you're going to do neon, and then you do everything that would come after neon. So in this case, it's going to be neon, which has 10, and then it's going to be 3s2, 3p3. And if you add this up, you get 10, which again, you don't have to write the 10 for neon, but you do have to write the other ones. I like it because then it shows that they add up, and 10 plus 5 gives you 15, which is what we wanted for phosphorus. So let's try the next one. Someone want to try vanadiums? Yes, perfect. So what noble gas would you use?
Argon.
Nice. So argon first, then.
4s2 and then d3.
What D3? You're right.
3d3.
Awesome. 3D, and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's go back and write this one in. Perfect. So it's argon, which has 18. And then it was 4s2, 3d3. And if you add this up, 18 plus 5 does give you 23. So that checks. We did that correctly. Next one, someone want to try cadmium, which is number 48.
Yeah, CD.
So what noble gas would you use first?
KR.
Awesome.
5s2. Oh, 4D.
All the
10.
way across.
4D,
10.
Yeah.
Perfect. Nice. Okay, so we're doing krypton, which has 36. And then it is 5s2, 4d10. And again, if we add that up, we do get 48. Someone want to try iodine? Awesome. Okay, so what noble gas would you use here?
Krypton.
Good.
5s2, 4d10, and 5p5.
Yay! Perfect. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're starting at krypton, number 36. And again, that's going to be 5s2, 4d10, but now we're going 5p5. Very nice. Okay, and someone want to try the last one? Someone who hasn't gone want to try the last one? Anybody? Okay, go for it.
So
This is the hardest one.
Xenon.
Okay, good. Xenon, awesome. And then?
6s2.
Perfect.
4f6.
Nice. Instead of 4f5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to add 1 because why? What did we skip?
Star.
We skipped the star one. We skipped number 57. So we need to make sure we add that one in. So all you're going to do is if you're ending in the F, only if you're ending in the F, you're going to add 1 in. Okay? So let's come back to this. And again, it's xenon, which xenon is 54. And then we have our 6s2, 4f6. Question?
Okay, you said only when we're ending in the F. So for instance, I wanted to go to like...
Okay, so try this. Try this. Will you do me a favor? Will you do uranium for me, number 92, please? So what noble gas would you start with if we were doing uranium?
Radon.
Perfect. Okay, so then it would go,
7s2.
yep,
5f3.
but then add 1, 4. Now let's say, I'm going to have somebody else try this one. Someone want to try number 105. Someone want to try number 105 now and see what happens at 105. It's the same thing, but I just want you to see what happens at 105. Anyone? Yes? Yes? Okay, awesome. So what noble gas would you use?
105, the RN.
Good. So 86 RN, perfect.
7s2.
Good.
Oh, 114.
Good.
And then D.
6,
D2.
D. We're going to 105.
D3.
63. Now, we included that one in there already. When we came back and did 6D, 1, 2, 3, we included it. So the only time that you need to add one in is if you're ending down in the F. Otherwise, if you're coming back up here, or if you're stopping at the 6S or the 7S, you don't do it. The only time that you add one is if you're ending in these two rows. Does that make sense? Okay, so you would add either one of these in instead. Good question.